Hi, this is Beth coming at you from Coach's Corner blog with a tech tool to share called Plickers, which you can get to very simply by typing in plickers.com in your URL bar. So Plickers is a formative assessment tech tool, and you use it through both your computer platform and a smartphone or tablet app. So you create your classes on your computer, you can create your bank of questions, and then you use your smartphone or tablet to actually scan these cards that I'll show you in just a second. You see them blurrily in the background here, and record answer choices. So the cards themselves, if we go up here and click on the cards, you can see a mini version. They are actually free. You don't have to purchase them. You can purchase them if you want to. That's an option. A standard set is 40 cards, which they say is good for most average size classes. So to get a sense of what these look like, each card has a different design, a unique design. Each card also has a number, so 1 through 40, of course, if you're using the average size. Each design has 4 answer choices around the outside, A through D, and the response is recorded by the way that the student actually holds the card. So if the student is holding the card as we have it here, the B would be recorded as their answer choice. So let's go back and look at developing a class. So I already have a few classes identified that I've created, and it's very simple to add a new class. This is all you do: create a class name and fill out the rest of the information, assign a color, and you're good to go. In my case, since I have a few, I'm going to cancel, but you would save yours. And let's take a look at one of the ones that I've created. So to assign each of these students a card, all I do is type in a name. And when I hit the return button, it automatically assigns a number to each student. With those cards, you can print them on regular paper, you can choose to do them on cardstock, you can laminate them. I had a teacher tell me that he hands them out at the beginning of the year, has students tape them into their interactive notebooks, and then they can access them year-round. So if we go to the library button here at the top, then we can start creating questions for assessment. In this case, I'll just show you how to do a new question. I'm going to just do a simple one here, kind of like a true or false, but in this case I'm going to create an option for how you would like to do a formative assessment. There's multiple choice option, there's also this true-false option, and you can change the true-false to reflect your answer choices. If you have a correct answer that you want, you can click one of the boxes here, and you can save just one question at a time or save and create multiple questions that you want to bank. So we're going to just save this particular one. Now on my library screen, I've got my question. I'm going to click Add to Queue, and what I can do here is actually go and assign that particular question to a class. And I'm going to assign this new one to the Trifecta PLTs. So from this point, to actually have the students record answers, I'm going to go to the app that is on my phone, and on the computer screen here I'm going to click on Live View. So you see what it says here, that it's ready to roll when I'm ready to go. So on my phone I'm choosing my class, and then I'm choosing my question that I want to ask, and it will momentarily pop up here on my computer screen, so students could see it either there or so right in front of them. So here's my question, here are all my students, and as I start to scan, there's a scan button on my through the app. As I start to scan, you're going to see these boxes with the numbers actually start to turn blue. That just tells me that those are the students who have answered. If I want to actually find out who has answered what with what response, I can click Reveal Answer, which you might not want to do if you're actually showing the live view to your class. But I can also look at the graph to kind of see what the trends are. And that sometimes is an effective thing for students to see. Okay, so I'm going to cut for a minute to a video to show you what it looks like from the phone side, and then I'll come back and finish up with the options from Plickers.
All of the work from here happens in the app. I have a list of my classes. I select the class that I want to work with from the app, and the question that I ask is automatically shown on my website, so I project my computer screen and I'd be able to ask questions and manage the questions from my phone. To scan the Plickers, I just touch the camera icon on my phone and scan through and see what my student answers are. I like to show the graph view when I'm doing a live quiz so that I can show the students their progress or their scores in relation to the rest of the class.
So the last feature I wanted to show you on Plickers is this reports button up at the top again. And here you can look at what, you can keep kind of track of how your students are answering different questions. And so that's pretty much the size of it. Plickers is a great tool for formative assessment. It's quick, easy, and free. So we hope that you'll check it out and check out Coach's Corner blog at your convenience. See you next time.